Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You start by gathering a small flat pry tool, Phillips screwdriver, and the exact replacement bulb or LED. Turn the ignition off and open the door. This keeps the dome circuit accessible while preventing accidental shorts. Slide the pry tool into the lens notch and apply steady pressure. Lift the lens away and place it on a cloth to prevent scratches. Once done, you'll see the bulb and socket exposed, so set the screws in a safe spot and get ready to remove the bulb. You now remove the old bulb by pulling straight out for wedge bulbs or twisting counterclockwise for bayonet types. Be deliberate to avoid breaking glass. Inspect the socket for corrosion, dark spots, or deformed plastic. These indicate poor contact or heat damage and need cleaning or replacement. If you're switching to an LED, confirm the base type and polarity. Many LEDs work only one way, so gently test before full reassembly. Make sure connections are snug, and the wiring insulation. You install the new bulb by seating it firmly in the socket, and then reattach the lens until it snaps into place. Make sure the lens tabs align to avoid cracking. Activate the dome switch and open the door to confirm the light turns on and stays steady. You should see consistent brightness and no flicker. If the light is dim, flickers, or doesn't come on, check the interior fuse for the dome circuit, clean or replace the socket if corroded, and verify the ground connection. Those fixes solve most issues.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.